Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share some creative and easy DIY wood decor ideas that you can try at home. Whether you're looking to add a touch of warmth and natural beauty to your space or simply want to unleash your creativity, these projects are perfect for you. Let's get started. Rustic wooden shelf. Create a rustic wooden shelf using reclaimed wood or pallets. Cut the wood to your desired size, sand it down, and attach brackets for mounting. This simple project adds charm and functionality to any room. Wooden wall art. Make your own wooden wall art by cutting various shapes and sizes of wood pieces and arranging them in a visually pleasing pattern. Paint or stain the wood to match your decor for a personalized touch. Wood slice coasters. Turn wood slices into stylish coasters by sanding them smooth and sealing them with a protective finish. These natural coasters add a touch of nature to your coffee table while protecting it from water rings. Wooden plant stand. Build a wooden plant stand using dowels or scrap wood. Customize the height and design to fit your indoor plants perfectly. This project not only showcases your greenery but also adds a modern touch to your space. Wooden candle holders. Create unique wooden candle holders by drilling holes in different-sized wooden blocks or branches. Add a touch of ambience to your home with these charming candle holders. We hope you enjoyed these DIY wood decor ideas and feel inspired to try them out in your own home. Let us know in the comments which project you're excited to try or share your own wood decor creations with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative home project ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!